If there's a pandemic, no. Be smart. Stay home. If there isn't a pandemic, then yes. And I say this because buyers need to create an internal point of reference for housing value. And once a buyer's seen enough homes, they feel comfortable and understand market value, and the realtor working on their behalf can analyze a specific home or condo so that you can all feel comfortable with the price that you're offering or paying. So we strongly encourage our clients to get out, grab a coffee, walk a neighborhood, and go to open houses. It's not likely that your realtor doesn't want to go with you. It may just be that they have conflicting appointments at that time. So here are a few pieces of advice or questions that you can ask if you're attending an open house without your realtor. Number one, how long has the home been on the market? Number two, ask if they are holding back offers so you know if the listing price is just a placeholder and that the seller's expecting a higher sale price. And I've included a link to multiple offer explanation at the end of this video. Ask if they've completed a home inspection or have a status certificate if you're looking at a condo, and ask if there are any problems with the home and let the listing realtor explain. Just listen. If you ask these questions, you might be surprised at how much they disclose to you.